my name is Dennis Feach and I run Roost Vans. Right now we're at Northwest Nomads, showing our rig, which is the Roost Vans Spaceball One. It's a 2021 Transit. So we're at the back of the van, Spaceball One, Roost's rig. Got a whole bunch of stuff shoved in right here, not got some trade show stuff here, but this is our Fukit bed flip-up kit system, and we also have our strap-up bed up top. Now that strap-up bed can come all the way down, or we can also lift it all the way to the ceiling as well. But another cool thing about the strap-up is that if your van's at a different angle, then you can re-angle the strap system to help you sleep at the level area, or help you sleep on a level surface. In the back here, we also have a hot water system, so you could take a shower outside. I'll just pull it out real quick. That's an easy one. Pretty common product, really. And then you can hang it on, plug into the water system underneath the bed, and have a hot shower. We have a shower curtain up here. And of course, my son's up in the top of the strap-up bed system. We're gonna walk around to the side of the van. Hey, Luna. So, Roost Vans also installs some of the windows. A lot of times, figuring out what you want out of a van, a lot of the factory windows will not give you ventilation, so you can get just a regular cargo van, and then we can cut in windows and install them for you, give you a lot of options for ventilation. So inside the van here, we have done our mounting system up top, also down on the walls. We've also installed a vent fan, our standard upper cabinetry. We have a standard lower kitchen cabinet here that has a 2-burner stove, as well as a sink. We also have our power station down below, and that's a Goal Zero power station. This is a smaller 1500 power station. Super simple, really cost effective, and it plugs into all of our standard wiring on our builds. We also have a loo box, which is just a simple chamber pot. Easy to clean, easy to surface, keeps it pretty simple and maintenance free. Has some points of use wiring, and of course our dimmable upper cabinetry and ceiling lighting too. Those are kind of the big highlights. You know, Roost gives you a lot of opportunity to use standard products to get a cost-effective build. Mainly, you know, keep yourself in a good budget and use that budget to get you a solid build and get you outside and on the road. We do builds really fast, and we have a pretty good availability typically. We're not typically booked out a year by any means. We have availability in about 4 months. So visit us at roostvans.com and feel free to reach out.